Hello everyone, how you doing today? We're in Greece. I'm in the kid. This is the guy to watch right there. That's the hero of the match, not me. I barely even survived. This map can be fun if you got good teams playing. Otherwise, it could be so lopsided and it's just a slaughter. It's not any fun. Even if you win, it's not much fun because you don't get no support, you're going to lose. Anyway, like, subscribe, share with your friends. Help me out if you can. Every little bit is appreciated. Well, I'm hosed. That's what I wrote in chat. I'm the only destroyer on my side. We got a destroyer and a sub, 4 cruisers, 5 battleships, and an aircraft carrier. Now, I do what I can in this match. Seems I'm outgunned. I have to play it kind of cautiously. And yes, I will do what I can if you're looking at the chat. And I do survive.
Enemy force detected.
I do survive. This match gets real interesting real quick. And I'm pushing up to that island right there off. Yep, now it's on the right. Now it's in the center. My job is to spot and throw a little interference if I can. Maybe a target of opportunity. Can't be too brave because they've got bigger guns than I have, so. And I figure out real quick that where the kid is at on their team. Okay, got my tarps. They're loaded, everything's loaded, everything's ready to go. And let's throw a little interference.
Smoke generator started.
A little psyop. See if I can mess with somebody's head. Thinking he's just gonna keep pushing. And nope. First thing he does is turn.
Reporting the target position.
An aircraft carrier is all over him.
Smoke screen set.
Still, that's a brave battleship. He just keeps pushing and pushing and pushing.
That's how it's done.
We got first blood. On the other side, sub got whacked. Not sure by who. A juror. Ooh, sonar
Torpedoes to
detected.
port.
That's probably from a cruiser.
Torpedoes to port.
That is from the kid. And yes, I am being shot at very uncomfortably.
Engine boost activated.
May as well gives this guy a headache. I do like that paint job though. I got it on the Fletcher. Ooh, he's getting hammered.
Problem solved, sir.
Incapacitated something.
All stations requesting fire.
And
on the
he's
designated
done,
target.
and our synop's done. Gascony's okay. Whatever that ship name is, I don't know. I can't say it. Not willing to put that much effort into learning that name. Vladivostok is down. That's good. All their teammates on that side are congregating. Unfortunately, our Gascony is not going to live very long. And thinking about it, thinking about it, thinking about it. And no, not yet. Auckland. All subs and power buttons. What a name. Yep. There goes our big guns on this side. The other one is heading in the back with the aircraft carrier, and there's one ahead of him, not too bad. He's playing it cautious.
Concentrate fire on the enemy warship.
Which is kind of smart, first part of the game.
Smoke generator started.
But you can overdo it on the cautious
Engine
side.
boost deactivated.
And what am I doing here? The Yukon eats it, gets taken out by the Buffalo. Give this little guy something to think about.
Smoke screen set.
Chapping my flank, make sure nobody's getting too close. Yeah, I don't want to stay here. And yeah, I'm pushing my luck again. All subs are powerful. Bottoms? Whoa. What a name. I can't hit Jack.
A bit of the starboard.
Ooh, I got so lucky. Gone undetected. Let's throw some more tarps out there somewhere. Widespread. Yoko is not doing too well over there on the other side. Wukong, he's not going to last much longer. But our aircraft carrier is sitting in the right spot. Carl Johan, what are you doing, brother? You need to fall back a little bit. There's the kid. Mayoko bought it. We were down 2, they're down 5. Indianapolis is coming up.
Data.
Engine boost activated.
Dominated.
Smoke generator started.
There's the Miyoko. Mukong, whatever the hell you want to call it. Ooh, 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 ooh. Stop putting holes in my boat.
Torpedoes.
That's got to
direct
be the kid.
Enemy cruiser detected.
Yep, that's the kid.
Attention. Reporting the target position.
Aircraft carrier coming at me.
Smoke
Don't want to
screen
get too
set.
terribly froggy yet. Uh-oh, I'm in trouble. I can see it coming. Yep, there it is. Baby.
Ship is on fire.
Ouch. Ouch. Ouch.
Problem solved, sir.
Ouch. Everybody and their brother shoots at me. Like big dogs being hunted.
Nice work.
Well, I survived. That Algier needs to move up. Support the battleships. We've got A. About to get B. C is contested. Our aircraft carrier is doing his job. Auckland bought it. Yeah, B is ours now. Carl Young is dead. This doesn't know it yet. Shot. Aircraft carrier knows what he's doing. Hello, kid. How you doing? Ooh la la, that boy's getting shot at.
Problem solved, sir.
So am I. I'm not doing too good. I'm getting overpowered at every turn. Oh, come on. Keep bobbing and weaving, bobbing and weaving. Alright, I'm good for the moment. I'm out of smoke and I'm out of heals. So I can't get too brave. Indianapolis. Why are you still alive? Magic Buff Dragon. That's interesting. Real Hunter? That's the Drake. This guy has lived way longer than he should have. Way longer. 51 points. And yep, that's it. Two of my big problems are gone now. Grass Bay got the Drake, Buffalo got the kid.
All stations requesting fire on the designated target.
And their aircraft carrier is about... Ooh, wow. He got whacked. Yeah. It's over. That's the game. Now watch on the bottom right corner just above the mini-map. Graf Zeppelin. Gets it, and he gets a Kraken unleashed. Well done. I would say he's the hero of the match. I got Dreadnought. Received damage amounting to at least 120% of your ship's capacity. "18 penetrations, 43 no-pens." Yeah, that's terrible. But we won. No, it's the Buffalo got a Kraken. Sorry, the Buffalo got the Kraken. I thought it was the aircraft carrier. Shows you how much I pay attention. Yuki the Bear? Okay. 5 kills. Nice job, Buffalo. Yeah, Jerry got First Blood, and I got Dreadnought. AA defense expert, the Drake. He did good. And Gascony, what did he get? Close quarter expert. That's what you call teamwork. That was a good battle, though. Nothing spectacular, but a good battle. 90k and spotting damage. Not bad, not bad at all. Alright, that is it for today, people. Thanks for watching. Bye.